Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is a new video for you. In this video, I'm going to show you DIY decoration design ideas for your home. Dear friends, as avid lifelong DIY enthusiasts, we have really enjoyed perfectly our crafting skills of all different kinds. Sure, we have our favorites and our specialities, but every once in a while it's nice to try our hand at something new or something we do not do very often. Lately, we have been feeling rather enthusiastic indeed about the idea of making some wood crafts. We can usually be found working with softer materials like fabric or yarn. So the idea of doing something a little more structural is quite exciting. That's why we have been on the lookout lately for beginner-friendly wood-based crafts. Dear friends, thanks for watching this video. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to receive my latest videos. Thank you.